This video is about the error which you will get when with Visual Basic for Applications VBA, which is called runtime error 94, invalid use of null. So this happens very often in Microsoft Access, Word, Excel and Outlook, for example, and PowerPoint. When we go there, when you get this message, go to debug, and in debug there will always be this yellow line, and in this is said there is a value. I mark this and type Shift F9, which says okay, add watches, or so watch that stuff. And in here you see there's written the value inside there is null. So this means null is not nothing and not zero, it's really nothing. So and the interpreter doesn't know what to do with null, with nothing. So therefore Microsoft Visual Basic for Applications, or VBA, has the this function nz, which means not zero. Type this one in front of this yellow block on the right side, nz, and then an open bracket, which means value. This is the value, and then we go there, type comma, and what should happen if the value is null? So we say make empty string with this one. So, and now I save it. There I save it, and I type here on F8, and now you see system is running. So the next problem will come up if there's nothing in there, and invalid use of null. You see that's the same one. We type nz and comma apostrophes, closing bracket, F5, and the stuff is running.